Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. Today we'll be making a very quick, delicious but very healthy recipe of fruit and nut chia seed pudding. The ingredients required for this recipe are half cup of milk, 2.5 tablespoon chia seeds, 4 biscuits that I have roughly crushed. You can take any biscuits of your liking, Marie, Digestive, Oreo, any biscuits. I've taken chopped nuts, 15 chopped almonds, 15 walnuts and about 15 raisins, and I've taken 3 fruits of my liking. You can take any fruit that is available or any fruit of your choice. I've taken half a banana, 15 blueberries and 4 strawberries. You can use mangoes as well. They taste very delicious in this pudding, and honey. So the first step in making this pudding is soaking the chia seeds. So I've taken half a cup of milk, and in this I'll add 2.5 tablespoons of chia seeds. Just mix it nicely, and we have to keep this chia milk mixture in the refrigerator for at least 8 to 10 hours so that they bloom up and become thick. I have already prepared this mixture for the recipe. Look how thick it has turned. So we'll be making the pudding with this chia milk mixture. The first step in making the fruit and nut chia seed pudding is layer the base of the glass with the biscuits. Put a generous amount of biscuits at the bottom layer. Over it, we'll pour chia milk mixture. Spread it nicely. Then we'll pour some amount of honey over it. You can put honey in this mixture as per your liking. The more sweeter you like, the more honey you can put. So over it, we'll put the dry fruits, almonds, walnuts and raisins. Then we're going to top it with our fruits. Put some bananas, some blueberries and some chopped strawberries. This is already looking very tempting and very colorful. Then after this process, we'll repeat the layers again. So again comes the biscuit layer. Top it up with generous amount of biscuits. And again a layer of chia milk mixture. Spread it nicely on all the sides. Again, a layer of honey, and we're going to top it with some fruits. It's not necessary to go with the same layers. You can arrange or rearrange the layers as per your liking. You can put the dry fruits first, then the fruits, or vice versa. So it's done. Again, the final topping, our remaining biscuit layer. Then we'll put our dry fruits. You can use cashews as well. They also taste very delicious in this pudding. And raisins. If you don't like dry fruits, you can totally avoid them and use granola instead of dry fruits. And the final layer of our fruits. And for the final touch, we're going to drizzle some honey over it. And our fruit and nut chia seed pudding is ready to eat. Take a look how beautiful this fruit and nut chia seed pudding is looking. Look at the beautiful layers and the vibrant colors. I'm going to eat it straight away, but it's better if you guys refrigerate it and then eat it after almost half an hour. Please try this recipe at home and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.